If you want your online business to work for you 24/7 even while you're sleeping, you need to start using automation. The biggest problem people face with this is they feel like they have to be hands-on all the time, constantly checking in, answering customers, updating systems, and that leads to burnout. Now, I can talk about this because I've built my own business using automation tools that handle things like customer inquiries, sales, and follow-ups so I can focus on what matters, like growing the business and enjoying life. And I've helped others do the same. The number one mistake people make is thinking automation is too complicated or expensive, so they don't even try. They stay stuck doing repetitive tasks that waste their time. But here's the thing, there's a much better way to have your business running smoothly 24/7 with just a few simple, affordable automation tools. You can set things up to handle emails, social media posts, customer follow-ups, and even sales funnels automatically. So here's how you get started. First, look at the tasks that are taking up most of your time. Then, find easy-to-use automation tools within your budget. That is something I can definitely help you with. Think email autoresponders, chatbot software, or social media schedulers. Set them up once, and let them handle the heavy lifting for you, so you can focus on the bigger picture. With this approach, you'll have more time and energy while your business keeps running and generating sales around the clock.